Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. I have another episode for you Lessons from Nature, Mother Nature. It gives us all kinds of um, examples of how we should live our life. And for me, I got a, an aha moment, a revelation when I was thinking about the elephant. It was the elephant and 10 men, you know, and I'm thinking, oh my God, what's up with this? So this is a lesson in oneness, a lesson and in being considerate and paying an ear, at least an understanding for those who are not similar to us. So the story goes, there was an elephant and 10 men were blindfolded. So these men didn't know where they were going. So as they were taken, they took them by an elephant standing there and told them each one to touch a different part. One touched the the what do they call this? The trunks, yes. Another one touched the tail. Another one touched the stomach. One was touching the ears. Another one touched the hooves. Among all of them. So they started asking each man, what do you think this is? The one who was touching the tail thought, I think this must be a horse. The one touching the trunks thought it was a different type of animal. The one touching the ears. And you could never convince someone touching the trunks of an elephant that this is the same animal from the one touching the tail, because the tail is hairy and soft, the trunks are ivory kind, you see they're hard. So the lesson is we are living in a big universe. Drawing conclusions of any sort with such little information is just arrogance, you know? So we have to consistently try to understand someone's point of view, because chances are you may be talking about the same thing, but everyone is coming from a different angle. And that is the lesson in this story. We have a oneness, a unity. We all have red blood. We come through birth when we are coming on this planet. No one can say they came any other way. You know, the commonalities are so many, but because we maintain a very limited perspective of life and the universe as a whole, we think that's all it is, and yet that is not true. There is more to life. There are more worlds out there, more universes, different types of people, different entities, but we all have a unification, you know? So we should pay attention to that and be alert that there is a unity that is happening. The God particle is in all of us. What we are considering as the void or emptiness, there is something in there. Just because you don't know what it is, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. You see? So the lesson here, be patient with others. Listen to them even if you don't get where they're coming from. Just take a minute to understand. Chances are we are all talking about the same thing. We're all striving to have a good life, to live long and thrive and healthy. All those things are universal. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Talk to you soon. Bye.